Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Healthy Samayal. Today let's prepare masala bun at home in a bakery style. It is really very easy to make this masala bun at home. Now after watching this video, you can easily make soft, tasty and fresh masala bun at home. In a big vessel, add 1 glass of milk, 1 tablespoon of yeast, pinch of sugar, add 2 cups of maida. I have mixed salt with this maida. Mix it well, add some water and make it into a dough. Never mix salt into the yeast. Always mix it with the maida and then make it into a dough. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and slightly press it up. Now just cover it with a foil paper, or even you can use the plastic cover. After 1 hour, the dough doubles in size. Just escape the air bubbles from the dough and just press it. Make a circular strips with this dough. I have made 6 circular strips. Just join all the strips together. Just do it as we do it for a braid. So especially for ladies, it is very easy to do. If you feel difficulty, then you can even use 3 circular strips and make it into a braid. Finally, join all the strips together. Bread garnish, melted butter, garlic pieces, 2 tablespoons, Italian seasoning. If you have mixed herb, you can even use that. Mix it well. And our garlic bread garnish is ready. Now let's apply the garlic garnish onto the bread. Some mozzarella cheese, it's optional. Sprinkle some chili flakes. Just bake it in an air fryer at 180 degrees. Now our soft and fresh masala bun is ready at home. Instead of buying from a market, you can try this kind of fresh masala bun at home. It came out really perfect. Keep watching Healthy Samayal. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Thank you.